Okay, you got a present from Grammy.
Okay, go. What's in here? What is it? What did she send you? This is a note. It says, Hannah, have fun with Dora. I love you, Grammy. She's like not interested in it. Okay, what is this? What's in there? What do you see? What did Grammy send you? A box? I think there's more than a box. Here, look. What is this? What's in there? Can you unwrap it? What is that? The car alarm is really annoying. Who's that? Who is that? Is it Swiper?
Yeah.
Who's that?
Dora.
Dora. Who else is in there? Who's that? Boots. She knew it. I think there's somebody else in there. Is there another one in there? Who's that? His name's a little harder, isn't it? Is that Diego? Diego. Yay! Do you like them? What do you think?
Mine.
Yeah, they're yours. Yep, Grammy sent them to you. They're yours. Do you like them? You want to say thank you to Grammy? Should we call her?
Papa.
He has a backpack, yeah. I bet Dora has one too. What did she say? Did she say, Swiper, no swiping? Oh man. Oh man.
Papa.
That's a backpack, yeah. So you can make Dora and Boots go on adventures. Come on, Boots. Come on, Diego. Let's go on an adventure. Where should they go? Oh, to the other side of the couch?